Thinking about designing or redesigning a learning space can be fun. Flip through catalogs, brochures, websites, or go to a trade show and you'll find all kinds of interesting modular desks, chairs, and some cool new furniture you may not have realized even existed. Yet, as fun as that is, SC Standard 4 for coaches is less about stuff and more about how environments promote learning. In order to change the narrative from thinking about stuff to designing for learning, take a nod from noted learning space designer Bob Dylan, who asks, "What are your verbs?" His suggestions of explore, discover, and create say a lot more about the learning in a space rather than adjectives like kidney shaped, stackable, or flexible. David Thornburg is a respected educational technology expert who has made important contributions to the research on effective technology use. His popular think piece, Campfires in Cyberspace, suggests educators consider different metaphors for designing learning spaces. He proposes the campfire, the watering hole, the cave, and life. Do those metaphors work for your own learning spaces? What other metaphors might you consider? And don't forget digital learning environments, even simple ones like a learning management system. What do digital environments offer to support learning? You may want to reflect on how you use all the spaces in a classroom or across the school to support learning. Chances are the same or similar types of learning experiences can be supported in digital environments, but you might need to explore them to understand how to use them. You wouldn't just half your physical classroom, so don't limit yourself in digital environments either. In an interview with ISTE team, Kobe Smart from Eureka, California, noted that digital age learning environments should be as modular as possible, but be focused on the needs of the learner. They should be designed to support collaboration and problem solving. He notes accommodating devices is important, but not a single type of device, as we now live in a multi-device world. He agrees with Helen Crompton that the space should provide easy access to physical and online resources. Review the resources in the companion document and determine what you can do to meet your goals relative to digital learning environments.